AI is not your enemy. It is your tool. Right now, artificial intelligence is changing how we study, work, and get hired. The winners are not people who copy AI. The winners are people who use AI and still think like humans. Be ahead of the game. Be your own future maker. Here are 4 skills to build. First, ask better questions. Be clear. Be specific. Then check sources. Do not trust everything. Second, grow human skills. Empathy, creativity, teamwork. These skills help you work with people, not only tools. Third, set guardrails. Do not share private data. Always review before you submit. Be honest about what you used. Fourth, practice a 20-second explanation. Say your idea clearly. What is the problem? What is your solution? Want hands-on practice and real guidance? From AI-powered skills to entrepreneurship pathways, discover what it takes to succeed in the future of work. At the East Asia and Pacific Youth Forum 2026, engage with government officials, business leads, partners, World Bank Group experts, and peers on tomorrow's jobs. Register now. Join the EAP Youth Forum 2026. Closing date May 19, 2026.